Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Premiere Pro to use Auto Reframe for multi-platform publishing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Ensure that you are connected to the internet for updates. Go to the top menu and select Help. Click on Updates from the drop-down menu. The Adobe Creative Cloud application will launch automatically. In Creative Cloud, look for the Updates tab on the left side. Check if there is an update available for Premiere Pro. If an update is available, click on the Update button next to Premiere Pro. Wait for the update to download and install. Once the installation is complete, open your updated version of Premiere Pro. To use Auto Reframe, open an existing project or create a new one. Import the video you want to reframe. Select the clip in the timeline you wish to apply Auto Reframe to. Go to the Effects panel, located in the lower right corner. In the search bar, type Auto Reframe. Drag the Auto Reframe effect onto your clip. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the settings to match your desired aspect. Select from options such as Square, Vertical, or Cinematic. Premiere Pro will analyze the clip and automatically reframe it. Once processing is complete, review the result in the Program Monitor. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the reframing looks perfect. Export your project by going to the top menu and selecting File. Choose Export followed by Media. Select your desired format and settings. Click on the Export button to finalize your video for multi-platform publishing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.